Well, I've started making that table for my Rand solar oven, and somebody had a good idea about using a boat seat swivel, and I was going to do that, but I plan on using this table for several things, so I'm just going to make a table and I'll deal with turning it to follow the sun, but that was a good idea. So here's what I got. Here's the legs off the other table. And this is my last piece of that plywood I had in the corner. That's 1/4 inch I got left there. And I just enough to make a table. And it had a slight bow in it. So I put these pieces here to pull the bow out. And this will be where the legs screw onto. Now I'm going to take a router, I'm going to round the edges off real good, and then I'm going to sand the heck out of this. I'm going to stain it my Donald Trump orange and put some polyurethane on it, and I'll let you see what it looks like when I get that corner rounded off. Alright, there's my burned out 3/4 round over bit, and I have another bit, but it will not fit in this hole. And I thought about shaving the edges off a little bit, but I'll make this work. So let me get to it. Well, there we go. Now I'm going to get my sander out, sand that all smooth, sand the top of this, pull the little void out. And there's no avoiding that. Yeah, I'm fat. when you're using a router, there's just no avoiding getting messy, unless you have one of them big fancy shops with the vacuum cleaners and all that. And this ain't one of them. All right, back to work. You are going to need a bath. You're going to be all dirty by the time we get done with this. Alright, just a whole bunch of that, and then I'm going to stain it. And I'll show you when I got this all sanded down and right before I put the stain on. Alright, I'm fixing to put the stain on it. Actually, I'm going to I had to put the legs, screw the legs on under here. So I had it resting on this side, on this thing, which is my welding table and painting and whatever else I do. So I'm going to hit this with the top with a sander one more time, and then I'm going to stain it. And I'll show it to you after I got the, I hate to call it orange. I think it was supposed to be maple colored stain, and everything I put it on, it comes out looking orange, which is why I call it my Donald Trump stain. All right, let me get to that. All right, Donald Trump stain is on. Now, I'm gonna put the polyurethane on, and this will be the last time I can use this because it's got starting to get solid in there. cheap stuff. Well, Minwax shouldn't be cheap. Alright, I think I can get two coats on today. Well, there's the first coat. Probably take 2, maybe 3. I'll show you the final thing when I'm done. Alright, that's the final coat. Alrighty, see you tomorrow morning for my egg video.